Good morning from the tropical paradise that is St. Thomas. I'm standing here, sorry the ledge is a little high where I have you propped, in front of our pool and our incredible view, which you will definitely be seeing more of in the next vlog. Apologies for the wind. You can probably hear the palm fronds, but I thought this would be a nice way to open our first of, I believe, 2 St. Thomas travel vlogs. As I've mentioned in previous videos, this trip with this villa and the view is a gift from my parents. For holidays like Christmas, they tend to purchase experiences for my siblings and I and our families that they can also enjoy with us and all of the grandkids. So here at this house during the week that we're here, it's my family of 3, my sister's family of 4, my parents, and then my cousin Ashley, who is by default like a 4th sibling. I washed my hair this morning and I've been trying to wash it less on vacation, but with so much beach and salt water time, that's been really challenging. So I did wash it today because yesterday, and you will see this in the upcoming vlog, we spent the day at Honeymoon Bay, and then we had a jet ski adventure, and we went right from jet skiing to dinner. So I like loaded my hair with pineapple scrunch Briogeo spray. So I slept on it hoping I could recover this morning, and I just couldn't. So it's wet. Apologies for that as we begin this video. Today is a day that I've been looking forward to since this trip was booked 2 Christmases ago. We are going to Caneel Bay on St. John today, and Caneel Bay is like a 5-star, luxurious, beautiful resort on an already exquisite island. We rented a cabana, and when I say we in this case, I mean just the grown-ups. The kids are staying here with my parents for the day, so they will do pool time. They'll probably go explore and have breakfast, and they will hang out here at the house and play games. There's a game room here. So I'm sure they'll be wildly happy and entertained to eat all the sugar they want and swim around, while my siblings, husband, brother-in-law, cousin, and I have a magically adult bougie day because we rented a cabana. So I will show you all of the things that come with the cabana today. This is not an ad. I have not partnered with them though. Caneel Bay, if you love this video, I would absolutely love to work with you. So I am in the process of packing my beach bag. I'm going to do a reel about that on Instagram. And I am getting my outfit ready. I have to grab a protein shake because that's how I am starting the day here as well. And I'm going to show you everything that we get to eat at Caneel as well. So come along. This is going to be a good one, I think. We're excited. And I will show you this complete outfit once the bottoms are dry. I will have a haul coming. Oh, good morning, beauties. I will have a haul coming with these particular pieces in the next vlog, so stay tuned. I have these 2 little cute sea urchin mermaids. Hey! I need to do this one's hair. Aww. This one's already ready. Look, they're both in little rompers. Look at these little rompers. So these little mermaid sea urchins are going to have an amazing day with Mimi and Grampy.
Yeah!
Yay!
So much candy!
So much candy. This is our vessel of the day. Mark's living his best life as Capitan. Mermaid! That's important to note is that when you come to, if you take a boat, a dinghy, an actual boat, a sailboat from St. Thomas to St. John to come to Caneel Bay Beach Resort, it's not actually on Caneel Bay, it's on Honeymoon. So we did get a little bit lost, but we found our way. We are getting things set up behind us. We have chaise lounges, we have a little cabana. I will show you everything once it's all set. Mark has docked the dinghy right here, and he did need to swim in. So there isn't necessarily a dock here if you come with like a boat rental, but he's totally fine doing that. We're pretty used to it from our at-home journeys. Look at the, I hope you can tell the gorgeous color of the water. Nothing got wet. We rented a dinghy. I will leave the name. I think it's Mojo Rentals, but I will leave it on the screen here. Mark is a very experienced boat captain, so we had no problems even when we were a little bit lost. It was easy to get here and fun. I was a little concerned that because it's an inflatable raft that it was going to be wet and like messy, and it wasn't. So we're here, we made it. We're ready for our day of pampering on this gorgeous ocean. This is our cabana for the day. It's in the shade. There's 2 little lounge chairs, so when we get overwhelmed with heat, we can lay here, but then they're gonna get these chairs ready for us too. This is our view from Caneel Bay Beach Resort. Naturally, we chose the Prosecco, though I could have gone rosé. These glasses are really pretty. Prosecco? There's Prosecco in here. Drink one of the day. Cheers. This is a summer wind. It has pineapple, coconut,
something else,
creme de coconut, and some kind of rum. I don't think I will finish this. Volunteers as tribute. This is a stingray. Right on the beach.
That is cool.
That's so cool.
Oh, that water's chillier than I was expecting. Feels right on my very birthday.
He's coming back in. Oh, look at him.
Through the heart.
Wants to be our friend.
That's so cool.
I ate 1.75 and then I dropped one down this crack and I caught it.
Hey, Mark. Yep. I forgot, since I brought up
Peter.
the Prosecco, I probably should have told you guys before.
This is Peter. Hi, Peter!
I could bring you out like a glass of orange juice or something, even if you want to turn the Proseccos into a little bit of mimosa style drinks. Yeah. I could do something like that for
what you want, baby?
I'm good with just the...
We're okay with just the Prosecco.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, Peter.
No problem.
A couple more waters.
A couple more waters coming up.
Thank you.
Right.
Mark has these tater tots that he convinced Mallory to order. She doesn't want them. He's having a great time.
And it is a mustard aioli.
Is it a mustard aioli?
It's a mustard base.
But the food is yummy.
It's almost like somebody...
We are about to leave this wonderful day on Caneel Bay. I have my second cover up on. This is a plastic-free island, so they give you aluminum cups. This might have a 3rd bottle of champagne in it that I'm splitting with my sister. I got Callie a very cute little thing from the boutique. It like allows her to track a shark and she will love that. I grabbed a towel. And off we go. Cheers to an amazing adults only vacay day. This is Pizza Pie. It is a sailboat that sells pizza. Amazing. This is Pizza Pie. It is a legitimate sailboat in the middle of the ocean between St. John's and Thomas. They have t-shirts for sale. They will sell you pizza and we place an order. Who doesn't want pizza from the middle of the ocean? These are pepperoni pizza sticks from this guy. Look how cute he is. We're doing a little video. Yeah. Whew. So we've just gotten home from Caneel Bay Beach Club. And I learned some things while we were there. Firstly, because of Hurricane Irma, the actual Caneel Bay Resort has been condemned since then, and they're hoping to reopen it this year. However, the actual beach club itself, the pretty, beautiful, pristine beaches that you guys saw today in this footage, that part is still open, and the coconut bar and the boutique there, those are all open. It's the hotel itself that isn't. The restaurant Zozo's is also open. So everything I had read until today, quite literally, stated that the hotel was this gorgeous, luxury, most expensive resort on St. John, but in fact, it does not exist right now. Our server today, Peter, was absolutely wonderful. He was incredibly attentive, and there were things that hadn't come in on time. Like, for example, you get your welcome wine, and then you also get a welcome drink. And the welcome drink is called the Summer Wind, which I showed you. But typically they're served in coconuts, and the coconuts hadn't made their way here yet from Puerto Rico. So they served one of ours, my cousin Ashley's, because she really wanted pictures with a coconut, in a pineapple because we requested that, and they were able to do that for her. The rest of us were fine having them in just regular cup. Additionally, you are supposed to get, in addition to like cold towels, complimentary beach towels, all the water that you want, you're supposed to walk away with Caneel Bay Beach Club Yetis, which I was really excited for, and they didn't have those either. So we did end up getting, I'm sorry if you can hear screaming, the kids are in the pool. We did walk away with free shirts in our choices of like colors and sizes, so we were able to do that. Also, I will be the first to say that 2 crab cakes, and I didn't eat both, were not enough for both the welcome wine, the welcome drink that I didn't actually drink very much of, but then my sister and I ended up getting several bottles of wine throughout the course of the day. I did take a lovely nap. The water was absolutely stunning, and I like that we had our Cabana Plus loungers because the Cabana was fully in the shade. Like, that's where I took a nap, but I did want to be in the sun for the loungers so I could read my book, I could enjoy some of the beautiful atmosphere. I think the question is it worth the money that we paid? And the answer is probably not, because you have to take and rent a dinghy to get out there. But after we left Caneel, we ended up going to Pizza Pie, which is a sailboat pizza restaurant that also serves cocktails, and that was super fun. So renting the dinghy is something we would have done no matter what, because my husband definitely wanted to rent a boat while we were here. There is a second food boat called Lime Out that is farther away that they don't allow dinghies to actually dock up to, so that was not an option for us today, but that's a taco boat, so that would have been cool too. So no matter what, we would have rented the boat. And I think having a day like just us as grown-ups on the beach, having cocktails, like in this picturesque location, was fun no matter what. But if we are to ever come back to St. John or St. Thomas, it's probably not something we would repeat. I hope this video was fun for you to watch. It's just kind of a quick glimpse into what did we eat today. And honestly, it was a protein shake, maybe two crab cakes that were delicious, several cocktails, several Prosecco's, and then a little bit of a pizza nub, but that's realistically what I'm eating, and we'll probably go out for dinner tonight and I'll have something small. I need to rehydrate, but I've been so much better on this vacation in terms of like making sure that I'm rehydrating, even though water here, as I mentioned this morning, is kind of hard to come by. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will enjoy our second St. Thomas vlog, which is a little more encompassing of just one day. Like, it's a what are we doing overall? What does the island look like? It's truly lovely here, and enjoy this tropical vacation with me. I love you. I hope you are relaxed and having an incredible day, and I will see you next week. Bye, friends.